today's video, I will be making this Christmas stuff. And just a reminder for this stuff I'll be making. It's not like a real store. It's just what I want to be making. So it's not anything that's in real life. So let's get on with the video. Okay, so I'm using the upstairs of one of the three buildings. Cause the area where you pay. And the wall. Actually, I'm gonna use this wall for the flooring. And for the flooring, I'm gonna use grass. I'm joking, I'm not gonna use grass. I'm gonna use this one. Okay, this is gonna be the area where we pay. I'm gonna make this self-check. Wait, let's see if I go. No, maybe that one's this. I think I'm gonna change the places. I'm not gonna go this. I think. And obviously it's gonna get out the pay thing where you pay. Okay, there we go. And then this is where we like. I'm gonna get a pen that represents the line. Since my favorite color is purple, I'm gonna do this right here. Oh, I want it to face like that. I guess this. I guess it's something. Okay. Put that here. And then lastly, there we go. guess I'm gonna have to pick because I have more space. Oh, seriously? Can be this one. I guess because I know. Wait, I have an idea. I'm gonna squishy. Gonna be golden. Gonna be golden. With our voices. Unbreakable forever. Yeah, ignore me. I'm gonna put some stand. Colors of the gold. Yeah, never mind. I'm gonna put the colors of over here, the golden. And in this place, you can find the needles, yes, because, like, why not? Yes. And then we're gonna put this and here, and here. Just gonna put these some blocks here. Oh my gosh. Some blocks here. And then more pieces. Just gonna become like this. Oh. I want this green one on. But it's that. Which is ought to be unknown. More books. Then put in areas. I'm gonna add the yellow one. These and that. So these are gonna be some squishies. Okay. Should I move them to here? Okay. Let's put some of these. I know the background noise is Other squishies like squishy dumplings with like fingers and all that. And if they're comfy here at the show, and it's like maybe see boxes. I have heard is like now she's good. Apparently they make seeds and turn them into squishies, I guess. And then now why is it not coming out? Why is the cheese not coming? Yeah, you know one. Oh yeah, is it coming? I guess it's broken. And now for bread. Guys, I'm quickly gonna do something. So I'll be back. Guys, I'm back. Now I was just doing some things that I needed to do. So yeah. I'm gonna add a butter squishy. Okay, don't mind that screenshot. Okay, I'll mix all the food. I'm actually gonna forget which squishy dumpling I actually put in here, so yeah. They might because what? So it's gonna be a random, very random chance of what squishy dumpling they get, because like I'm obviously gonna forget which color squishies in which box. Anything you can use this station. one's golden squishies, these blue and these because I can't find anything else. Yeah, the only color is I have an idea. Oh, seriously? Yeah, we can't use these. They change colors. Okay. Can use then. I missed it. I need more. Come on. Oh, I have an idea. Maybe these. Yeah, I'm gonna use these as they look squishable. Means I'll probably look for the other set of slime and I'm just gonna also make this slime. Ignore the background noise if you can. Okay, I can't find any more apparently, so these are the only 6 I got so far. Okay, what? No, I keep missing the one I was using. I don't know why I'm using this one. Ignore the background noise if you can hear. I'm just gonna deal with the background noise real quick. Okay, that was dealt with. Yeah, sorry about the background noise. There's people thinking they're going to ruin my recording, so guys, I'm not gonna let that slide. So they're gonna get ultra beautiful. Okay, I'm joking. They're gonna get ultra beautiful tonight. But I'm still gonna deal with it because they can't ruin my recording. Yeah, guys, I'm back before my recording freezes. So yeah, okay, I'm back. Right now we're just waiting for this thing to load. So okay, we're here, and we're at the wrong version of whatever. And we're gonna go to ignore the background noise if you can hear. Ignore the background noise. Yeah, ignore these. I made them for a video. I was making it first. It's stick out and the sticker itself. And that's when I put this there. And I I need this again. I think this that's all, I guess. I'm guessing that's all, so we're going to go to the... We're going to go back to the stage, and you're going to watch me if not recording. So you can skip this part if you want, because like it's just I might go somewhere else again to get more stuff. I didn't think I was. Yeah, I'm not going to. So yes, by the way, that free marketplace was the place I was making. I think if you wanna know, it's free. You just need to get the update. If you don't have the update, then I'm sorry. Then you need to get the update. So that was a long time ago when the update was being yeah. Okay, eat this. I don't know why they can eat slime, which is very harm accusing to your body. Why would you eat slime? But they can anyways. So like these are what I was thinking. Could be the squishy dumplings. See my squishy dumplings. There's one space free, which means there's some pieces. Okay, let's place all the squishy dumplings now. No! Okay, guys. Now let's place all the squishy dumplings. Oh my gosh! Okay, now let's place. Now let's get back to what I was saying. Now let's place all the squishy dumplings, and I'm gonna put them here. I feel like these boxes are cute, but I don't know what to need them for. Ignore the background noise. Sorry about that. Anyways, ignore the background noises as well. Takes away from work. It's just something. Okay, let's add these squishies here. More squishies. And like more squishies. Cause like why not? They need so many squishies. In real life you don't. Squishies are nothing. You just squish them and then that's it. But really, yeah, they need them. And also people like the way they go. Like I don't know how to explain it. Ooh, colors! I'm gonna turn it into green, cause like, yeah, there's no purple and there's no teal, so next color is green. Now I'm gonna go back here, and then now I'm gonna do, now let's go to squishy. I feel like these two can be a squish and separate. I know you could pull it off, but some reason it's not working. When it's pull off it, I keep trying to pull it, but it's not working. Okay. Squishies and more squishies. Let's put the back so I don't cover. Where's this side cover so I don't cover any other squishies. And this long. I'm just gonna add some more touches.